Clean Energy Technologies, ticker symbol CETY, popped back with a vengeance just a month after regaining listing compliance, mainly because it secured a $10 million battery energy storage system, BESS, project in New York State, marking its largest energy storage project to date. This 20 megawatt-hour standalone system is designed to support grid stability, peak shaving, and market participation through New York's Value of Distributed Energy Resources (VDER) program. The system may be expanded up to 80 megawatt-hours depending on grid interconnection availability. CETY will serve as the engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) contractor, handling everything from planning and design to procurement and installation. With over $20 million in contracted project backlog, CETY aims to become free cash flow positive and position itself for growth through larger, higher-margin projects and potential mergers and acquisitions. It's also entered into a collaboration with Quimera Global Energy to advance the Deepfire geothermal power system, which provides scalable, zero-emission baseload power. The project involves combining heat-to-power technology with Quimera's next-gen geothermal well design, enabling cost-efficient and faster geothermal deployment. The collaboration targets island nations and emerging markets, with a focus on reducing drilling costs, accelerating project timelines, and providing reliable renewable energy. The global geothermal market, valued at $8.75 billion, is projected to grow, and CETY and Quimera aim to capture a significant share with their approach. With this deepening focus on energy storage and geothermal, investors view CETY more positively, with a growing and diversified pipeline of projects. CETY also gained ground by successfully deploying its Clean Cycle 2 Organic Rankine Cycle (ORC) technology in Martin, Tennessee, as part of a waste heat recovery project led by RPG Energy Group for a Fortune 100 company. The project represents one of the first of its kind in U.S. industrial manufacturing and sets a new standard for efficiency and sustainability. By capturing waste heat, typically released by manufacturing plants into the environment, the system converts it into clean, usable electricity, turning what was once a liability into a valuable asset. It also demonstrates how industrial manufacturers can reduce energy inefficiency and lower costs while advancing sustainability goals, serving as a model for future waste heat recovery projects in U.S. manufacturing. According to CETY's CEO, Kamadi, the ORC solution not only cuts energy costs, but also promotes sustainability, providing a replicable model for other industries. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.